Hey guys, it's really windy out today. This is probably going to be a real short video. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be replacing the mirror caps on my F10 BMW behind me. I'm going to be replacing it with some M5 style carbon fiber mirror caps. But let's look at this first, and then we'll look at the mirror caps I'm going to be replacing it with. We'll just replace it and see what the before and after kind of looks like. So walking over to the car, you can see the plastic mirror cap. It is body colored and it's pretty cool. It's functional for what it is, but I kind of like the styling of the mirror caps from not the F10 M5, because I think it kind of looks like this, but like the later M5s, the M3s, where they have that little piece that kind of comes across and makes it look as if it's connected to the car. So I'm going to be replacing it on both sides of the car, and then we'll kind of see what the before and after kind of looks like. The box with the mirror cap is right here, so let's just go ahead and open it. I got these from RW Carbon. I purchased these, and I did try some from eBay, like the $30 mirror caps. They did not fit, so I had to take those off. So now I want to see if these are a little more expensive, if they fit up directly to the car. Alright, so I got it on. It's a little fiddly and you need to be patient with it. Don't try to force it, but it seems that the fitment is almost perfect. I don't see any gaps or anything where water can get in behind the mirror cap. It slid on really quickly, and you know, it just took a little shimmying to get it on, but it's on the driver's side. Let's see compared to the passenger side what it looks like. So that's the driver's side here, and then we come across to the passenger side and we still have the regular mirror cap on the passenger side. So now I am going to install it on the passenger side and we'll see what it kind of looks like. Well, what do you guys think so far? Do you like the upgraded carbon style mirror caps, or do you like the new one? Just leave some comments down below, let me know.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
The install is now done, and we can go in and check. I also got this one in with very little fight, and the fitment is pretty good. I don't see any gaps or anything where water can get in. There's a little gap right here, but it seems to bolt on, you know, perfect with no problems. And so now I have the passenger side as well as the driver side on. Alright, so we have the mirrors folded in and they look absolutely amazing, guys. Quick, easy install. These were not cheap. I'll post the price that I paid for them on the screen, and I'll have the link to these mirror caps in the description below. I don't get any money. I have no affiliation links with these. I just bought these with my own money, and I just do like how it updates the styling of my F10 535i. Thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.